pocket flooded, needless to say, I wasn't scared. The song dropped the same day, see if your brother care. Police station's New Mexico that the public hear. And still performance.
Well guys, here we are. This is my new storage spot for the bus. Super grateful we found this. I had a wanted ad up on Craigslist for a while, and this guy ended up responding, has some land out here. So for $2 a day, I'm able to store the bus here and even work on it and have electricity. But yeah, this works for me. Got the seats over there. If this guy wasn't here, we were gonna rent this spot and then have our workspace over there, but I guess he's coming back, so I'm glad we didn't move in. Yeah, look at this view over here. Pretty sweet, you guys. I'm liking this. We just finished up peeling the ceiling out today and all the insulation. That's all the insulation there bagged up. I'm gonna haul that out. And all the ceiling panels, man, that was a lot of work. Luckily it was all screws, but you can see I did have to cut a lot out. They ram these things in with air tools, and some of the screws end up stripping out before you can get them out, so I had to cut them. Again today. As you can see, it's coming along. It's still kind of a mess. Just accomplished a big milestone I'm feeling pretty happy about. Check this out. This is the first lock I installed. It's one of those apartment locks a lot of people do on school bus builds. Pretty sweet though. Managed to get the key. I drilled through and patch those holes up with Jobii weld. I guess you're only supposed to drill those holes on the one side, but yeah, it works like a dream. And even just latches shut like that. So just for a little extra security, this is gonna be my garage. Pretty awesome. Feels good to have locks on the door, and one step closer to this being a home and not a school bus. I'm gonna start working on these walls. I was reading up, apparently this is tack welded up in this rail under the windows, so what you have to do is just get the grinder and cut the whole thing.
feels good. Got all the walls out of this thing. Gonna be a pro with the grinder here pretty soon. Just had to keep going along and cutting below the window. Not the straightest lines, but that's all gonna be covered up anyway when I build up the walls. I'm actually planning to bring the walls out for extra room for insulation and cover up this bar anyway, so that's about where the walls are going to be, and then a nice little ledge to the window, and then probably again here I'm going to pop the ceiling out more. I'm not quite sure how it's going to go with insulating. I want to do spray foam, but I think I want to do 4 inches on the ceiling. This thing will be warm, nice and cool in the summer too. So right now the plan is just to keep gutting out what I can and keep the bus drivable. I'm gonna wait on ripping the floor out. Our temporary registration here, it's hard to see, but it expires in 2 months. So either way we need to head back to Montana, but everything that's happening with the coronavirus scare and everything, we're both out of work and we can't possibly afford to live out here anymore. We actually need to move out of that sublet. So we need about $2 grand to try and move into an apartment right now. First and last month's a deposit. And anything we can afford is just instantly gone in Santa Fe. So it really sucks. I'm bummed out. Actually got a really good job offer out here that I'm gonna have to turn down because we just have nowhere to live and I'm not trying to live in the minivan out here. So yeah, we're gonna get this torn apart and then ready to blast to Montana. I think we got about 12 days, so gonna start packing up and saying bye to everyone. We can't really see anyone because we have to be socially distant, and a couple of my friends actually work at an art installation out here, and they had an actual case of coronavirus get into the studio, so they're on super quarantine and really sucks. So I kind of miss my friends and just really don't want to say bye to Santa Fe. I like it here. But I'm really excited to head to Montana, have an awesome summer out there, and keep working on this bus. So basically I'm just going to button it up, put my tools away. The sun's starting to get ready to go down, and it's actually trying to snow right now. I'm going to come back with Sinead tomorrow. She'll help me rip all this insulation out, hopefully. She doesn't know it yet. And we'll get that vacuumed out, and I think that's about it for what we're doing out here. So anyway, I really appreciate you guys following. I'm really excited on the new channel. Thank you, those of you that came over from Wandering Patches. That was my old channel, Wandering Patches with my Toyota motorhome. This is my new channel, so Jackalope Bus. I'm just excited, guys. It's going to be a good year, coronavirus or not. We're going to get through it, so I hope you guys are all doing awesome out there and still following your dreams. We'll see you on the next one.